Welcome back to part 3. Let's take a look at our objective for today. We will model how to count on from any number using number lines. Well, for this part, we're going to actually get into using number lines. So let's remember what we did with the number 777. We counted by ones, then we counted by tens, then we counted by 100s to get to 1,000. So what does this now look like on a number line? Well, I'm going to start a number line like this. 777 is over here. The first thing that we did was count by ones. We counted by 1 to 778, and then to 779, and then to 780. Well, that together was 1, 2, 3. So we could actually make a jump of 3 to get to 780. We counted by ones. Now we can count by tens. 10, 20. You could either do one jump of 20 or you could do two smaller jumps of 10. I'm going to do jumps of 10. So if we jump 10, 790, 790 is what we get. If we jump 10 again, 790 and 10 more is 800. So now we have another friendly number. Since we want to get to 1,000, we're now going to jump by hundreds. So if I make a jump of 100, 800, counting on 100 more is 900, and if we count 100 more, we get to 1,000. So this is what counting on using a number line would look like. It looks exactly the same as when we counted using our picture model. We had 1, 2, 3 counting by ones. We counted 10, 20. Here's a jump of 10, and another jump of 10 is 20. And we jumped 200s, 100, 200. We could also write it like this, showing those combined jumps. So if we add 3, we get to 780. If I put my tens together, I can make a jump of 20, and that gets me to 800. If I put my hundreds together, that's a jump of 200, and that gets me to 1,000. Either one of these number lines will show the counting on method. Now let's take a look at the other number that we did, 934. I'm going to draw a number line again, starting at 934. We counted by ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we could do 6 small jumps of 1, or we could just do one jump of 6. So I'm going to do one jump of 6, and that gets us to 940. That's a nice friendly number because now we can easily count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 is how much we had to count by tens. We can do tens though, that's okay. So plus 10 gets 950, plus another 10 is 960, plus another 10 is 970, plus another 10 is 980, plus another 10 is 990, plus another 10 is 1,000. Now if I look at what I have left here, I've got 200s. So I can do a big jump of 200, and I'll end up at 1,200. Okay, well, we could also combine all of these tens together and start at 934, counting by ones, 934, 935, 936, 937, 938, 939, 940. Again was a jump of 6. Now I can look at my tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. If I jump 60, wow, we get to 1,000. And then we can do a jump of 200 to get to 1,200. So we are counting on using a number line, counting by ones, counting by tens, counting by hundreds.